Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very simple princess crown. I'm calling it my festival princess crown because I think it'd be really great for adults and teenagers. I am taking a Leanne's rainbow. This one is Summer Days, and I'm just making a pretty wide U shape over my forehead. And you can see how bright and beautiful this one stroke is. It is even more amazing in person. I really like it. And then I'm just sweeping it right over my eyes and bringing it to a nice peak. So creating kind of an elongated eyeshadow slash wing kind of liner look with my one strokes, which I like to do this a lot in so many designs. As you guys probably know if you watch my channel, it's a quick way to add color. Little girls like it, and adults and teens like it too. So now I am taking a BAM stencil, and this one is number 2027, and I'm going to just pounce a nice rich turquoise right over that Leanne's rainbow U that I made on my forehead. It adds a really quick, cool, ornate detail, which is exactly what I wanted with these stencils, so I'm already really happy with them. So now I'm just going to add some double dipped flowers at the bottom of my stencil. You can see the center flower comes down a little further and the other two cascade up. I'm going to add some on the inside corner of my eyes as well as on the bottom part of my one stroke moving away from my eye. You can see I kind of do the outside petals a little smaller, and then as I go down, I'm pressing a little bit harder on that floral brush to create a nice cascading look with the petals. And now I'm going to do some thinner swirls and teardrops on the top of that design moving out from my eye, and this creates a really cool effect. I actually was really happy with the way this looked. It's very quick and really easy. I actually really like this design just with kind of the winged detailed eyes and removing the forehead piece altogether too. I think it'd be a really cool thing to do for adults and teens if they want something really simple. So those of you who follow me on other forms of social media will probably know that this is number one from the design board I did on my Sally Ann Lynch board and had you guys vote for which design you wanted to see. This is the one that no one voted for and was my favorite, probably because I knew that I wanted to add festival glitter to it and it was going to be a lot more interesting than on my board. But I hope you guys like this because I was really excited about doing this one, and even though nobody voted for it, I had to add it to this series of princess crowns. So I really like the design as is, and this is closer to what it looked like on that board, which I showed you guys in that split screen. I've got turquoise paint on the bottom of my face. Oh well, moving on. But I guess in my mind, I always knew I wanted to add a lot of glitter to it. I don't typically spray my design boards or add chunky glitter to them, so it probably didn't look that interesting to you guys. So hopefully with the glitter, you like it. So this is the Gypsy Shrines Multi-Mix. I've used it in other videos in the past. It's one of my favorite chunky glitters. It has stars and hexagons and little circles and all sorts of cool things in it. I just think it looks really hip. Teenagers really like it. Adults like it. I like it. So my idea for this design, of course, would be you have kind of a simple painted design that you could do as is, but when appropriate or when people want it, you can do this kind of intense festival glitter look and take it to a completely different level. So I'm doing that triangular shaped glitter, but not too perfect. I'm trying to kind of pull it out on the end so that it's dispersed well, and then I'm also putting it in between my eye design and my headpiece. I am using petroleum jelly on myself because I will wipe it off shortly. I don't have a festival to go to tonight, unfortunately, but use your favorite adhesive for festivals when you do this. I hope you guys like this design. I am kind of in love with it, so Please let me know what you think. Like and subscribe as always. Ring the bell to get notifications as well. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.